Oh, iba-iba na ngayon ang pamamaraan ng tao.
Tama.
May mga tumatawang nangangabayo.
Ano yung iba?
May mga lumalakad tapos kumakaway, nakakatawa.
Paano?
Yung mga, may nakita kong ganung video, yung lumalakad tapos kumakaway sa
Paano?
ilalim, nakakatawa. Tawa-tawa ako sa video na yun, Day. Yung lumalakad na malungkot, tapos may bumate, tapos kumaway sa lupa.
Oo.
Batiin mo ako. Lalakad ako,
sige.
tapos batiin mo.
Meme! Meme! Oh!
May mga langgam. May mga langgam na nanunood.
Sobrang funny. I found that really funny. It really made my day. That's why I was late today. I was
Because
laughing the whole time in the car. I couldn't go out of the car because I was just laughing.
were watching
Kinakawayan ka rin sa taas, oh. Hi daw. Gusto
No
nila.
disrespect. I just found it so funny.
Yes, it is funny.
Dalakad.
Oo.
You call me.
Again. Meme Vice! Meme Vice! Oh! Ganun pala yun.
Yeah. I just found it so funny.
It is fun.
Yeah, it made me laugh today.
Made you laugh.
Just like your giggle today. Your giggle so
Giggle,
funny. It's like your horseback riding.
Kabayo.
Oo.
Pasensya na, comedian kasi ako.
Yes.
Papatawa ako. Hindi yung number
Nagpapaligaya.
two.
Sorry
Content
naman.
creator ka rin.
Sorry naman.
Ha?
Sorry naman. Akala ko kasi
Oo.
comedian.
Pero minsan comedian, pero minsan masahista din.